An assailant ambushes and shoots a victim, but the victim never sees the attack coming. Has the assailant committed assault, battery, or both? This was the question in United States v. Jacobs. Isaac Jacobs and his family lived in a house on the Menominee Indian Reservation in Wisconsin. Jacobs's brother-in-law, Earl Bodoh, lived next door with his family. After a family quarrel, Jacobs decided to evict the Bodohs and take over their home. While the Bodohs were away, Jacobs blocked their driveway with his car, then got his gun and waited near some bushes in the Bodohs' yard. Later that evening, the Bodohs returned home. Earl, who was driving the family's truck, drove around Jacobs's car, parked the truck, and started to enter the house. Jacobs walked toward Earl and shot him in the arm. Earl had neither seen nor heard Jacobs, so he didn't realize he'd been shot until he felt a pain and looked down to see that his arm was bleeding. Jacobs was charged with assault resulting in serious bodily injury and assault with a dangerous weapon with intent to commit bodily harm. At trial, Jacobs argued that he didn't intend to shoot Earl, instead insisting that the gun discharged accidentally. The jury convicted him of the first charge but acquitted him of the second. Jacobs appealed his conviction to the Seventh Circuit, arguing that he wasn't guilty for two reasons. First, Jacobs argued that the statute under which he was charged required an assault to occur before a serious bodily injury. According to Jacobs, assault requires the defendant to place the victim in reasonable apprehension of physical harm. Because Earl didn't know he'd been shot until after the fact, he couldn't have experienced apprehension of harm prior to being injured. Therefore, Jacobs reasoned that he couldn't be guilty of assault. Second, Jacobs argued that his conviction for assault resulting in serious bodily injury was inconsistent with his acquittal for assault with a dangerous weapon with intent to commit bodily harm, requiring the reversal of his conviction.